Okay, so how did I wind up getting all these different pretty colored pictures in without having to constantly redo every single thing with this, fill color, font color, yay, all that sort of fun stuff. So, let's actually just clear out all this right here, and let's wind up making something. So just gonna make, I'm gonna make something that says "Hello World." And Hello World not only has a yellow background, the text is going to be red. And not only that, I'm going to put a thick outside border on it. Yay. So now I have one cell with, admittedly, 3 different effects on it. You know what, let's just bold it as well. And italics and underline it. There we go. Now it's got a bunch of little nice effects on it. So what I'm going to do, actually, let me even just make this even bigger, because I'm going to also middle this. There we go. So now I'm just going to do something, and I'm just going to go copy, paste. And it pasted everything. Okay? Control-C, Control-V. Works every time, right? Well, now I'm going to instead go and right-click this. Oh, and you see this thing that says Paste Special. Now, it might have little buttons that you can see that'll have preset ones or whatnot. But I'm going to, obviously copy. But when I right-click here, I'm going to go with Paste Special. And instead of pasting everything, which is what it normally does, I now have these little options. So I can go and say, oh, I don't want that. I want only the format. Why not I do that? Hit OK. So now, I pasted the yellow, and if I type something, it's red, but the actual font inside of it wasn't there. And of course, I can simply go again, paste special, and this time I can just do simply the value. And the value was Hello World. That was it. But none of the formatting, the red underline with bold and italics, the bounding box, not even the fact that it was, middle aligned and center aligned. No, it's still bottom left. It's just normal. Of course, I can special paste again, and this one's going to ask about, all except borders. Yeah, let's click all except borders. But we also have, comments, validation. Let's just do all except borders. There we go. Now it's red, bold, underlined, italic, yellow background, but there's no border. The black border is no longer there. And you can do something like this as well with, instead of just using words, we can make this, and we can select all, delete. Oh, it's not going to let me delete that. Okay, fine. I'll just delete, 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 delete. There we go. I will instead make this an equation. So this one will be, 10. This one will be 20. And this guy right here will be equals this plus this. So now if I copy and paste over here, oh, look, it did that nice fun little thing of not actually doing what I want it to do because it remembered the position. So instead, I can do copy, and this time, under Paste Special, I could just get specifically, what do I want to do? Operation, add none, all merge, values, and number formats. Let's go with value. Let's try value. Let's see how that works. Oh my god, look at that. It did 30. This is 30. This is 30. They're the same thing, right? Wrong. Double-click this. This is equal B2 plus B3. This one right here, double-click it as much as you want, it's 30. There is no equation in this. This one, this value... Oh, I should probably delete that. This value right here has nothing to do with an actual equation. It's just the end result. So if I were to even change this right here, because remember, this guy right here is the math equation. if I were to change this guy to 20, so 20 plus 20 is 40, this guy changes. This guy doesn't, because it's not doing a math equation. It's just doing, oh, you told me to paste, you know, the 30 that was in here at some point. But now that there's no longer a 30 there, well, it's still a 30 here. So what about other things? We can copy, and let's paste special. What else can we paste? Oh, we can paste the formula. And this time now, you'll see it's equal D2 plus D3, and it's now once again trying to do the math position-wise because it was 1 over and 1 down. So, yeah, there are multiple ways you can wind up using paste to get different results. And while we are using pretty much only the sum feature in all this, there are a few other mathematical common equations that you'll see in Excel that I want to go over in the next video. So please sit tight and go and click on the next video.